Here's the thing. There's people talk about, is the market in a bull market or a bear market? Are we going up or down? There is a third direction, and that's sideways. And that's really what it feels like now. I think from a short-term basis, since September 21st, which was the S&P high, yeah, as you mentioned, we're down many more days than we're up. But typically after that type of a decline, especially when we're on such heavy volume on the downside, you're going to get a little bit of a lift. And I kind of think that's where we are now. The last time I was on, I mentioned short-term relief, long-term grief. I think we're still kind of in the relief stage. But when I say bear market, I'm not talking about it in the traditional sense where I think everything's going to zero. I'm looking at cash.
Excuse me.
There's no sector since the 21st that has outperformed simply being in cash. Mm-hmm. So essentially, there's been no place to go.
We just showed a chart that you supplied to us of the advanced decline line plotted against the 200-day moving average. Why is it significant, and what does it tell you?
Well, see, I think it's significant because over the last several years, the advanced decline lines never even dropped to the 200-day moving average. And that's just the number of advancing issues divided by the number of declining issues in the market. So when we're at the 200-day moving average, this tells me that things have actually kind of reverted to the mean, which is different than stocks just continuing to go up. So this is kind of the breadth indicators at a kind of a critical juncture right now, to where if we continue to see some deterioration in that line, that could really lead to lower prices. But in the meantime, and I don't want to give viewers the wrong impression, I'm not saying the market's going to continue to go lower, but what I am saying pretty decisively is I don't think we're going to get much of a lift, maybe just a little bit of a lift. And I think the Fed is just absolutely, I'll be kind, wrong in what they're doing.